Join Scan Pro Video on their latest Blackmagic Design webinar, Blackmagic Studio Cameras for ATEM Mini live production, on Thursday the 25th of November at 2 p.m, hosted by Blackmagic Design's Javin. For producing podcasts, live web streams, education content, training, conferences or other events, there are significant advantages of using Blackmagic Studio Cameras and not third-party cameras with your ATEM Mini. This webinar will run through a range of professional studio features to help you improve the image quality, technical operation and overall production values of your productions. Topics covered will include dual ISO capabilities, microphone and audio inputs, ATEM camera control, connections and networking, and external recording. You'll find the link in the description if you want to join us, and we look forward to seeing you there. Be in the know with Scan Pro Video.